Hi guys, today we're taking a look at this beautiful 2017 Volkswagen Jetta with only 28,000 miles on it. As you guys can see, this car is in excellent condition with little to no physical apologies on the exterior. This is the TSI, so it's the turbocharged 1.4 engine. This car has good tires all around, and the car just looks fantastic. On the interior here, you'll notice the beautiful two-tone interior, the gray on black. It's in great condition, very clean. The center console, lots of space in the back as well. Excellent family car. If we hop in here, you'll notice the beautiful touchscreen multimedia display. This has CarPlay accessibility, so you can connect your phone via USB right down there, and you'll bring up all your navigation and Apple CarPlay. You have Bluetooth, you have backup camera, auxiliary port, steering wheel mounted controls, and much more. But more importantly, this car drives phenomenally. I've had the same exact car, a 2015 Volkswagen Jetta, for over 5 years. These cars are just super reliable. This one is still under full factory warranty until 2022 as well. If you are interested, please give us a call at iMotobank at 617-538-2099. Bye.